In our daily routines, it's easy to go on autopilot. Our minds drift to the past or future, and we lose energy. But what if we could bring mindfulness into those everyday moments to restore our focus and energy? Today, we challenge you to be fully present during one repetitive or routine activity. Whether it's a conversation, a task at work, or a simple walk, mindfulness helps us break free from distractions and feel more energized. Let's explore how different traditions use mindfulness to restore energy and challenge ourselves to apply this in our daily routines. In Christian practice, mindfulness often means being fully present in prayer. This isn't just about the words you say, but about the heart's focus. Try praying while focusing on each breath, each word, and each moment in God's presence. This helps restore spiritual energy and deepen your connection with Him. Psalm 46:10 reminds us to be still and know that I am God, showing us that mindfulness in prayer brings peace and energy renewal. Many professionals use mindfulness to stay present during repetitive tasks. This might mean focusing entirely on responding to emails, staying grounded during a meeting, or fully engaging with a project. A challenge you can try today is bringing mindfulness into one of these routine tasks. Instead of letting your mind drift, focus on each step, breath, and stay present. This not only restores mental energy, but also increases productivity and helps you perform at your best. In Buddhism, mindful walking is a practice used to bring awareness to every step and restore energy. The challenge here is simple. Take a short walk today and focus on the sensations of each step. Feel the ground beneath your feet. Notice the sounds around you, and let go of thoughts that pull you away from the moment. This practice grounds you in the present and allows energy to flow more freely, helping you recharge and refocus. In Taoist practice, mindfulness often centers around breath and energy flow. The challenge is to take a few minutes today to focus solely on your breathing. As you inhale, imagine drawing in energy. As you exhale, release tension. This mindful breathing helps realign your body's natural energy flow and restores your focus. You can do this during any task to refresh your mind and recharge. In Native American traditions, mindfulness often comes from being fully present in nature. Today's challenge is to take a mindful moment outdoors, whether during a walk or simply sitting quietly in nature. Focus on the sounds, smells, and sights around you. This grounding in nature restores energy and reconnects you with the earth. By being fully present, you can recharge your spirit and regain clarity. Mindfulness is a powerful tool for restoring energy, and today's challenge invites us to bring it into everyday tasks. Whether through prayer, mindful walking, or focusing on a work task, mindfulness helps us stay present, recharging our energy, and break free from the distractions that drain us. Embrace the challenge today and see how it transforms your daily routine.